Can you read her a story? Hi, Holly. Can you make some baby sounds? Oh, but no crying. Are you reading her a book, honey? What a good big sister. Hi, Holly. Oh, please don't walk by her, okay? What are you trying to tell me? Oh, can you just smile and talk to me? Oh, that's quite the close-up. Are you talking about the snow in October? We're in D.C.
You were lucky you saw it.
And we're here with Bump and Grandma.
See the rain?
Oh, we went out just in time. We hope it'll be sunny tomorrow. Where's your smile? Where's your smile? You're 2 days away from 5 weeks old. Hi, pretty girl. Hey, it's okay. I'm getting hungry. You're so beautiful, Holly. Yes, you are. Hi.
Good. I don't think you can open these bottom windows. You want those kids? Yeah. Oh, look at the trees. What are those yellow leaves? I see flags. Oh, there's cars. Oh, that car has snow on it. Look at it. The red car. Can you see it? It hasn't melted yet, has it?